Hello, this is Bob from CenturyAutoAir.com. Today's video is on the scroll compressor control valves. This particular compressor is off a Chevy Equinox, which is the same as a Saturn Vue. The symptoms are that your high side pressures will be lower than average to normal, and your low side pressures will be fairly higher than normal, about 20 psi. The performance condition you would notice is it works fine at RPM going down a road, but does not cool at idle. What it is there is a control valve mounted in the back of this compressor behind this plate. It helps you get more economy by backing off displacement of the compressor by bleeding some of the refrigerant by when it's not needed. But when it's in bypass mode, you will not get good cooling at idle. This is the pressure readings at idle. You notice we have 50 psi on the low side and about 125 on the high side. In other words, low side is reading high and the high side is reading low. We're now going to put a throttle stick in this and hold it about 1500 so that you can see the difference in pressure readings. Also, this vehicle currently is blowing about 65 degrees from the vent temp. It's 85 degrees in the shop, and it is on max AC or recirculate. So we're at 1500 RPM. You'll notice our low side has come down to about 35 psi and just a little over 150. We're now blowing in the high 40 degree range inside. If this was a hot day or warm inside the shop, you would have higher head pressure on the high side and probably about the same on the low side. In other words, this compressor does not have full displacement at idle, and by revving it up, it does go into higher output. This is a common symptom of a poor control valve in this scroll type compressor. It's very easy to change. Some vehicles you can do it in the chassis. Others you will have to pull the compressor. No matter what, you do have to discharge the system and then have it recharged when you're done. The easiest way to identify if your vehicle has this is just look for this little black plate on the back, and we'll go ahead and we'll pull this out and show you what it looks like. Some other vehicles this is used on are Ford Explorers, Ford Expeditions of the mid-2000s, Ford Fusions, the 500s, and the Jaguar S-Types. The model number of this compressor I've been unable to find online. It's simply the Ford scroll. It was made by Visteon Corporation. It is spring-loaded. You take the plate off, and the valve itself comes out, and there's this oddly shaped O-ring that's in it. There is a spring in there that just goes back in. We do offer these control valves on our website under Control Valves on the catalog page. Our part number is MT2270. It's a very easy part to change. When you get the new one, it simply slides in, replace the O-ring and the plate, and have it recharged. We also do sell just those O-rings because it has a common leak point on this compressor. Once again, this is Bob for CenturyAutoAir.com. Thanks for watching.